Well, that's it for the Porsche 956 build. I'm really excited with how it turned out, considering I had a couple little mess ups, and I'll share those in a moment. But again, excited it's done, because this is one of those builds that kind of just dragged and dragged and dragged. I started this on a Sunday morning and built the whole chassis, fitted it with electronics in under 2 hours. And I was like, I am rocking and rolling, and I'll be done with this in the next 2 days. And now here we are a week and a half later and just finished it up. Like literally every day I would look at this and be like, is it almost done? Is it almost done? I don't know. I just got that feeling. But regardless, I'm really happy that Tamiya put this kit out and I got the opportunity to build it. So very cool. And now I'm in love with the way it looks. However, there were some challenges along the way. Like for one, the masking. Not so much of a challenge, but I kind of goofed up a little bit. And I guess when I laid the masking tape down on the inside to mask the white area off, I didn't do a good enough job. And right here in the front, there was some blue overspray. And then on these vents right up here and on the rear vents as well. And by that time, I already put the white down. Blue actually goes first, then the white. And then I backed everything with silver, and at that point, it is what it is. So I got creative with stickers because, well, one, stickers are great ways to cover up little imperfections, and two, well, stickers make your car go faster, don't they? I mean, that's what I was told. But needless to say about the stickers, well, to cover up that spot, I put this little Tamiya sticker, and I used some of the MCI reproduction stickers to cover up the blue overspray by these vents over here. The rear vents, I had some leftover blue stickers from the kit. I cut out little stripes and I put those over here, and I think it looks, you know, organic, like actually part of the racing livery. Like you wouldn't be able to tell it wasn't, and it just looks natural. So I'm happy I was able to cover up those little imperfections. As far as the stickers, I ended up not using the Rothman emblems that are the MCI reproduction ones. They're a little smaller and the blue is a little off, and it wouldn't match the blue stickers that came with it. And so I used the racing emblem. I think they look fantastic because the quality is that much better than these. I mean, these by themselves, when you look at them, look good. But then when you look at them compared to the ones that come with the kit that are screen printed, there's no comparison. However, I did use a few of the MCI reproduction stickers where it says Rothman's on the side here, on the other side, and on the wing, because I did want to have something on the car that said Rothman's. I wanted that. You know, I wanted that more of the original look. But all in all, I think it came out great. Tamiya gives you 3 options when putting the stickers on. You can do the 1 car, the 2 car, the 3 car. In 1983, Le Mans, the 3 car won, which is why it's right here. I went with the 1 car. The stickering is a little different down here where it says Porsche, and obviously it would, you know, you could put a 1 or a 2 or a 3 there, but I went with the 1 car because I like the number 1. However, the 1 car is supposed to use the white Porsche sticker up here, and I didn't like the white Porsche sticker up there. It was too much white, and I wanted another color, something that popped. I asked my wife, and she said definitely go with the yellow, and that's what I was thinking. So if I'm offending anybody, any Le Mans racing historians, oh, it's sacrilegious, you can't do that. Well, I did it. I did it my way because I liked it like that. All right, so I'm not a racing buff or a historian, so you know, just thought it looked the best. All right, something else, the wheels. The rear wheels are two-tone, gold and silver. I painted them gold first. Typically when I do two-tone wheels, I'll use liquid mask, but that's a pain. It gets messy. Tweezers to pick off all the liquid mask. It's just whatever. I got a little lazy. I used some masking tape, cut out circles, stuck them in there, sprayed it silver after, pulled the masking tape off, and I pulled up a little bit of the silver on one of the wheels. So, little imperfection. At that point, I was like, whatever, just give it some clear gloss and seal it in. You can't even tell. But yeah, altogether, came out great, and I'm happy, very happy. All right, so I don't know, drop a comment, let me know what you think. How did it turn out? I think it looks pretty awesome. And now there's only one thing to do, and that's get it out for some fun. So we're gonna give it a light run out there. So enjoy the running footage. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.